Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Angelia Nur with NPM 22-1168, and today I will present the result of my analysis of the criminal case in court regarding the persecution case with case number 273/regular crime/2023/Depot Court. So let's move to the video. So, the defendant in this case is Panca Setiawan and the victim in this case is Rizal Ramli. This incident occurred in Padurian Village Neighborhood Association 001, Community Association 002, Cisalak Pasar, Subdistrict Cimanggis, Depok City, or in the defendant house on 6 May 2023. In this case, it showed that there is evidence in the form of witness testimony and documentation or medical report, with judicial considerance that the defendant has been charged by the public prosecutor with a single indictment as speculated in Article 351, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code. Article 351, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code is persecution is punishable by a maximum imprisonment of 2 years and 8 months or a maximum fine of 4,500 rupiah. Or in Indonesian is penganiayaan diancam dengan pidana penjara paling lama 2 tahun 8 bulan atau pidana denda paling banyak 4.500 rupiah. With the following elements: 1. The element of any person. The public prosecutor has presented Panca Setiawan bin Rahmat Yasin as the defendant, and he was verified his identity as stated in the public prosecutor indictment. Throughout the trial proceedings, the panel of judge observed the defendant to be of sound physical and mental health, thereby capable of bearing legal responsibility. Thus, the first element has been fulfilled. And 2. The element of having committed assault. Based on fact revealed during the trial, comprising summaries of witness testimony, defendant statement or confession, and evidence present in court, the panel of judges concludes that the element of assault has been fulfilled. During the court examination of the defendant, no grounds were found that could eliminate criminal liability, whether in the form of justification or excuse as occurred by the criminal code. Therefore, the defendant must be declared guilty and responsible for the criminal act committed. And next is the chronology. Whereas the incident originated on Saturday, May 6, 2023 at 9 p.m. when Rizal Ramli or the victim, Revaldi Shafayoga or the witness, and other friends of the defendant were spending time in the front of the defendant's residence located at Padurian Village Neighborhood Association 001, Community Association 002, Cisalak Pasar Subdistrict, Cimanggis District, Depok City. Subsequently, the defendant kicked Rizal Ramli or the victim in the face using his right foot, causing the victim to fall and sustain bruising and laceration to the nose resulting in bleeding, as well as bruising and abrasion to the face, which temporarily impeded the victim's ability to perform work or livelihood activities. It is not that the defendant is committing that assault against the victim did not employ any implements but used only bare hands. Following the incident, Rizal Ramli or the victim and Revaldi Shafayoga returned to witness Revaldi Shafayoga's residence to treat Rizal Ramli injuries, after which Rizal Ramli returned to his own residence. It should be noted that there were attempts at reconciliation from the family and the neighborhood association, while all parties desire an amicable resolution. The victim family refused to pursue this option. Subsequently, the defendant was taken to the Cimanggis Police Station in Depok City at the request of victims' parents for prosecution. Additionally, mediation efforts were attempted by the neighborhood association chairman, who even contacted the military district command or Babinsa, but these efforts were not responded to by the victim parents. The verdict in this case handed down to the defendant is point 1 is the defendant Panca Setiawan has been legally and convincingly proven guilty of committing the criminal act of assault or persecution. And point 2, therefore, sentence the defendant to imprisonment for a period of 8 months. So that's the result from my analysis from my case study. See you next video and bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.